Hi you guys, this is Lainey and welcome back for another video. This time I will be doing a after dinner clean with me. So this is how my kitchen is looking after my family and I have completed our meal. My husband took the kids upstairs to get them ready for bed and I'm going to go ahead and tackle this kitchen. So if you want to see how I do just that, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is light a candle, and this is the kind that I am using today, which is almost out. I burn candles almost every day. I love candles, and that one is a vanilla scent, and which is one of my favorites. Right now I am going to go ahead and shred up the extra chicken breast that I made today. One I used for the chicken and broccoli Alfredo, and the other one I'm going to use for something else later on in the week, maybe some chicken and dumplings or some chicken noodle soup, because it's been kind of gloomy and rainy outside. So but yeah, I'll just figure out what I'm going to do with that. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and pack our lunches for tomorrow. After clearing the island, I'm going to do the same thing with the dinner table. My son does his homework at the dinner table before dinner, and right here I'm just making sure that he has everything he needs for school tomorrow. For dishes, I'm going to be using Gain detergent with a splash of bleach. I'm not sure if I'm the only one that washes my dishes this way, but I like to have my hot soapy water at the bottom and wash my dishes one at a time and rinse them immediately after washing and put them away. I think mainly because of the type of sink I have. It doesn't have a divider in it to, kind of wash and put the dishes on the other side of the sink. But I just have the water running at a stream. It's not like, on full blast or anything like that. But this is how I do it when I'm hand washing my dishes and not using my dishwasher. Once I rinse my sink out, I'm going to run my garbage disposal for a little bit just in case some food got down in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean my countertops with this cleaner and also the polish that goes with it as well. For my stove, I'm going to be using my Ceramic Bright with a textured sponge. It's kind of like a, what is it called? Like a Brillo pad, but not as harsh. It's a little less harsh than a Brillo pad, but that's what I'm going to be using for my stove. Now I'm just taking a towel and dampening one end of it and wiping that Ceramic Bright off of the stove, and then I'm going to take the other side of the towel and wipe away the water. For my dinner table and bench, I'm just going to wipe those down with Clorox wipes. For the kitchen and dining room area, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep and use my Swiffer afterwards. One of the last things I do is take out the trash. Usually if my husband sees it first, he does it, but since he, is busy with the kids and getting them to bed, I just went ahead and did it myself. So the last thing I'm going to do is pack my husband's lunch for tomorrow. Usually throughout the week he's not a super big breakfast person, so I just put in a packet of oatmeal and then I put his lunch, which was leftovers from dinner, and I'm just writing him a sweet note letting him know that I love him and I appreciate everything he does for our family, and I'm going to leave that for him to find tomorrow. And this is it, you guys. I am done with this kitchen, honey. And wait, I'm just going to go ahead and blow out that candle before I go head up to bed because I am exhausted at this point. It's been a long day, but this is how my kitchen is looking, and I know you guys can relate, but I just sleep better when my house is neat and tidy, especially when the kitchen is together, because waking up to a dirty kitchen is just tragic. But I am done for tonight. I appreciate you guys watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know that as well, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.